Magandang hapon, ito si Diego Maranan mula sa Vancouver, Canada. Ah, at nandito ako sa isang park. Hapon na ngayon, malamig ang hangin, mainit ang araw, at mainit din ang pagbati ko kay Dean Mendoza, kay Vice Chancellor Hermosa, at kay Dean Flor. Ma'am Fe, I never really got the chance to work with you. Inisip ko nga maski committee work, hindi tayo naging part ng parehong committee. But you were always great fun to be around with. I am missing yung mahabang mga biyahe papunta sa bahay niyo. But I wish you the best of luck. And I look forward to seeing you around at UPOU still. Which I cannot say the same for Ma'am Nema, na balita ko ay babalik na sa Faculty of Education. Ma'am Nema, you are a creative, insightful force of nature, and your energy will be missed sa UPOU. I look forward to our paths crossing again, sooner, hopefully, rather than later. Sir Sandy, maraming salamat. Thank you for being supportive, for encouraging creativity to flourish among the students, well, ng BAMS in particular, since that's what I know, and for giving us, meaning the BioMod team, tsaka yung BAMS students, tsaka yung faculty ng BAMS, the opportunity to explore and to experiment. And the thanks, of course, extends to the entire UPOU system, to the entire UP system, which have given us the chance to do so many incredible, fun things over the past year and a half. So, congratulations din po, and I look forward to seeing you all soon, either in person or online. Ingat.